New soundbar from Denon has been announced. So the affordable new model soundbar from Denon will be called the DHT-S416. It is a very premium affordable soundbar. Is well equipped with Chromecast for your streaming. If you're interested in online streaming, it is very well priced at just a reasonable £299 and around $330 if you're interested in getting it. So it will be Denon's first soundbar that will have an inbuilt Chromecast, which will offer you access to a world of music streaming, including access to Spotify, Tidal, Amazon Music, Deezer, Cubus, and even Google Play Music. You will also have access to other features like YouTube Music. It is also going to give you a multi-room group for multi-streaming in multi rooms. You will also have very good controlling feature like Google Assistant to be able to give it commands if you want that. Most devices are coming with the Google Chrome with the Google Assistant feature as well these days. So the DHT-S416 is going to also come with the optical and HDMI ARC connectivity. You also get some presets on it. It is not going to be big. It's very slim. It technically can easily sit under your display. And it pretty much the price is very well place for people that don't want to spend a lot of money. The base is well the base, it has a subwoofer which is the inch of the driver is just 5.2-inch woofer, so it's not that large. It is just going to give you average bass, not going to be anything that will blow you away. But if you need something premium, they have it right now. So the Denon DHT S416 is going to be priced at $330. It's going to be available. It's going to be available at the end of this month, so you can pre-order it from next month if you're interested in that. Once again, subscribe to our channel, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.